10 Instagram Reels hacks you need to know. Creating Instagram Reels for your brand or business might be one of the most effective ways to increase Instagram followers and engagement. In fact, they're a current growth hack. We're sharing our best Instagram Reels hacks, from practical hints to our top editing tactics, that will make your film stand out from the crowd. 1. Create unique and creative content. If you want to show up on the Instagram Reels tab, creating original content is key. Fortunately, when it comes to organizing your Instagram Reels, you don't have to start from scratch. The most important thing is to generate instructional or amusing content that is unique to you. By adding your own little spin or perspective, you can take any existing idea and create something fresh and engaging. 2. Closed captions should be included. It's no secret that making video content, whether for Instagram stories or Instagram Reels, is one of the most effective methods to increase the accessibility of your material. Because we know that 85% of Facebook video is watched without sound, adding subtitles to your videos is a no-brainer when it comes to expanding your audience. Furthermore, subtitles are not only beneficial to individuals who watch without sound, but they are also beneficial to those who have hearing impairments. 3. TikTok's watermark should be removed. Instagram has announced that Reels that are plainly recycled from other applications will be deprioritized, meaning they will appear less frequently on the Instagram Explore page and in the Reels tab. If you want to adapt your TikTok videos for Instagram Reels, you should first remove the TikTok watermark. 4. Keep your captions to a minimum. Long instructional descriptions on Instagram have their place. Hello, Instagram feed posts, but because of Reels dimensions, short and sweet captions are the way to go. The first line of an Instagram Reel can be up to 55 characters long. When you exceed that limit, your caption will be followed by the button More, so that visitors can tap and read the rest. And when they click on the More button, the reel won't pause. Instead, it opens up the caption, darkens the video, and makes it more difficult for your audience to read the text or see what's happening in your reel. 5. Hop on trends fast. Reels trends change as swiftly as TikTok's. Take a few minutes each morning to look through the Instagram Reels page and other creators' profiles to see what they're sharing, so you can jump on a trend before it becomes old news. Is there anything that keeps coming up? A song in particular? Is there a sound clip? Is there a dance craze? If that's the case, click the music to see how many other creators have used it. Look through the videos to get a sense of the current trend. The What You Say craze, for example, was a great sensation on Instagram Reels recently. 6. Share your Reels to your feed. If you didn't know, posting Reels to your Instagram feed is one of the most effective techniques to improve their views and chances of becoming viral. So with this in mind, make sure you opt to share your Reels directly to your Instagram feed. 7. Placement of on-screen text should be optimized. Whether you're adding closed captions or more text, the location of the on-screen content is critical. If your audience can't easily see the text, they're likely to scroll right past your video, which can be a major engagement blocker. If you're adding text, make sure it fits inside the 4:5 ratio, especially if you're sharing it on social media. 8. Find your niche and post consistently. Finding your topic and uploading constantly are two of the best strategies to get viral on Instagram Reels. There are a lot of Instagram users who have a diverse set of interests and hobbies. Whatever your brand or company does, there is a niche for you. 9. Share educational content and add value to it. If you thought Reels were only for the latest dance trends, think again. There are tons of creators going viral by sharing informative content. 10. Include hashtags. While no Instagram Reels analytics are available yet, using hashtags can help the Instagram algorithm understand your material and serve it to the right people. Using hashtags like hashtag easy recipes, hashtag meal ideas, and hashtag dinner inspiration, for example, can tell the Instagram Reels algorithm that your material is about food, increasing the chances of it being presented to users who are interested in similar content.